Good morning. Today we will do exercise 12.3 question number 7. 6 up to 6 we have done in our previous classes, and you know that here we are simplifying the whatever the expressions are given here, and after that the value, whatever the value is given here, we will put the value on that result of the simplification. Now look at the question look at question number 7. Simplify this expression. This is question number 7. Simplify this expression and find their values when x is equal to 3, a is equal to -1 and b is equal to -2. So in these values we have to put after simplification of this expression. Okay, now the expressions you can see 3x minus 5 minus x, according to like terms we have to simplify, and after simplifying we will find out the value of these sums. So in question number 7, 3x minus 5 minus 6 minus 9, we will solve the sum here, x plus 9. Okay, so after the question is, according to this question it says 3x and minus x are like terms, and minus 5 plus 9 are like terms such as constant. So 3x minus x, you know that it will be 2x only, because we are subtracting 1x from 3x, and minus 5 plus 9, it will be plus 4. We are subtracting and the larger number sign is coming in front. So first answer is this one, after the answer of the simplification. So after simplifying you have to put the value. What is the value? Value is value of x is 3. In this question you can see that value of x is 3. So 2 into 3 plus 4. 2 into 3 plus 4. Now it will be 6 plus 4, and result is 10. Here you have to put the value of after simplifying you have to put the value of a, b, and yes, only here it is also a. So you have to use the value of a, b both. Now we will solve the sum. 2a, first of all you have to simplify according to their like terms. 2a plus a, 2a plus a, then minus 2b, minus 4, minus 5. Now these are the constant term 4 and 5. You can add them because they have both have same sign. 2a plus a, it will be 3a, minus 2b, minus 9. Now our simplification, result of the simplification is over here, because there are no like terms. One is a, another is b, and then last one is constant term. Now what you have to do, you have to after simplifying you have to put the value of the variables. Now you know that value of value of a is given -1. So 3 into -1, you all know that you have to keep it inside the bracket, minus 2, value of b is -2, so into -2 and then -9. After that 3 1 is 3, but minus is there, so -3 plus 3 minus 1, it will be minus into plus minus. So -3, then inside the bracket it is -2 and outside it is also -2. So both minus will become plus. 2 2s are 4 and -9. Then what we have, what we can get here, -3 and -9, -3 and minus 3 and minus 9 plus 4, arranging according to the sign. If you want to do, you can do. Now minus 12 plus 4, minus 12 plus 4, it will be minus 8. So it is our second answer. First answer was this one, where we have find out the value of the simplification. You can see the complete sum. Now the sum is z cube minus 3 into z minus 10. 3 into z minus 10. First of all, you have to simplify the expression z cube minus is outside, so students be careful, when minus is outside you need to multiply the sign. 3z plus also we are multiplying, but when we are multiplying by plus, that time sign has no change, because plus minus minus plus plus plus. But when we are multiplying with minus, the sign will be changed. Minus 3 into z, 3z, then minus into minus. If we are multiplying minus into minus, it will become plus. So plus 3 tens are 30. Now there is no like term, so you have to complete our work here, and this is the answer of this simplification. Now you have to put we will find the value of this expression when the value of z is 10. Putting value of z is equal to 10. Putting value of z is equal to 10. What we are getting here? Z cube means 10 cube minus 3 into z, 3 into 10 plus 30. Now 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 10, so 1000, and 10 into 3 means 30. Minus sign was outside, so minus 30, and what was at the last term? It was plus 30. Now students, you can see that as the sign are not same, one is minus and one is plus, but the digits are same, we can cancel them. Now the result of this sum will be 1000. So first of all, you will simplify the same way we are doing in every sum. So first of all, you will simplify the sum, and then what you will do, you will put the value of the. See, you can see that there is nothing to do, because no like terms are there. One is p square and another one is p. Though the variables are same, but their powers are not same, that's why they are not like terms. So what we will do, putting value of p equal to minus 10. P equal to minus n. What we will get now? P square minus 2p. So minus 10. Instead of p, I am writing minus 10 square minus 2 into minus 10, because 2p, p's value is minus 10, and then minus 100. Then it will be minus 100. So after putting the value, now we have to find the result of this simplification. Minus 10 into minus 10. Minus 10 into minus 10. What we will get? Minus 10 into minus 10. You know that minus into minus plus, and 10 tens are 100. So what I will write here? Directly I will write plus 100. Because minus, when multiplied by even numbers of times, it will become plus. And here also minus into minus, you can see minus into minus, it will become again, it will be, again become plus. So minus 2 into minus 10, so plus 20, and minus 100. So what we can do, students? We can see that same numbers are there with different signs. So plus 100 and minus 100 we can cancel out. After cancelling, what is left here? Yes, result is 20. So 8 is done. What should be the value? Question number 9. What should be the value? The value of x, we are putting 0. It is given in the copy. So what you will get? 2x square means 2 into 0 square plus value of x is 0 minus 5, minus a is equal to 5. Now 0 square means 0 only, and 2 into 0 means 0, plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. To find the value of a, you are not finding the value of 0, and 0 has no value, so we are not writing this one now again. We will just omit these zeros, and minus a equal to 5. But we have to find the value of a, not minus a. So what I will do now, I will multiply the value of minus a into minus 1 in the left side. So whatever I have done in the left side, I have to do in the right side also. So 5 into minus 1. 5 into minus 1. Now see, the result is therefore minus a into minus 1 means plus a equal to minus 5. So whatever I have done here, I hope it will be easy for you. Just you need to practice. So 2 will be multiplied with first with this, then with this, and then lastly, only 2 terms are there. So first we will multiply with this, and then we will multiply with the next value. So 2a square, 2 into a square plus 2ab, then work inside the bracket is over. Now the the terms are written outside. We will write as it is, 3 minus ab. After that, see, is there any like terms? Yes, ab, 2ab and ab, there are 2 like terms, so we will use this. 2a square plus 2ab minus ab means you need to subtract, and the larger number sign will come in front. So it will be ab, from 2ab 1ab is subtracted, so 1ab is left, plus 3. Now it is the answer of this simplification, and now you have to put the value of a and b. So putting value of a and b, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 3. After getting this, after putting this value, what we will get? Let's check. 2a square, 2 into 5 square, 2 into 5 square plus a into b, a means 5 and b means minus 3. Keep it inside the bracket, and plus 3. This 3 was in the constant term, in the expression last term was 3. I have written this one again. Now what we will get? 2 into 25, 5 5s are 25, 2 into 25 minus 15 plus 3. Now 2 into 25 means 50 minus 15 plus 3 plus 3. Now 15, when we are subtracting from 5, it will be 5 and 35 plus 3, it will be 38. So whatever we have done here, I hope it will be easy. It is all these sums. Thank you, students.